16 years ago until now, we bought several Breton machines. For the moment, we have like 6 Breton machines in the company, starting from a polish machine up to cutting machines, water jet machine or combined machines, and NC milling machines all together. The latest machine that we bought new was the Trinity from Breton, combined with the rocket tool also. So we have the cutting blade, the 2 water jet nozzles, and the rocket tool. The main reason why we bought the Trinity first was because I had too much special jobs for the kitchens. Let's say the special small cutouts for sockets, or like the cooking top stuff that comes out of the natural stone with the same part on top, so the vein matches very nice. That was the first reason why I wanted to buy a water jet machine. But when I started investigating which machine I would buy, I came across the system of Trinity to give me also the extra advantage of cutting synchro, blade and water jet, to use it especially on ceramics. So we had the installation and the training from that company in the beginning 16 years ago. It was a Belgian company who did that. But I think it only lasted 1 year with that company. And after that year, everything changed and we went directly together with Breton. Not anymore another company involved, so directly with Breton, in contact directly with Breton. For me, that was the most or the best system to do, because you are in contact direct with the manufacturer of the machine. You can call them anytime you want. They contact you back with the computer, they connect with the machine and they call you. So for me, it's a very easy system to work like that, because you have a problem that needs to be solved. It could be an issue of something you need to adjust with the machine, or to make something that you cannot do with the machine, or you don't know how to do. You can call Breton, they log in and they show you how to do the job. For the moment, we work a lot on all kinds of sectors in the natural stone. We go from kitchen tops to bathrooms to stairs, but also for the bigger jobs we use thicker material quite a lot. So we go from, let's say, 6mm in our company to 40 centimeter pieces of stone we can cut and we use for the jobs. For now, for the future, I think we'll keep investing, especially in the thicker parts of the natural stone. That's the next step in the future, because we like to go with some more possibilities of milling bigger parts.